Come test drive the 2016 A3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.